Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at creating a standard IDW for our wheel part and preparing it to turn into Google Classroom. Thanks for sticking with us. Today, in order to begin this drawing, we're going to open up Inventor, New from our ribbon bar at the top, select standard.idw and click Create. Now let's take a look at our drawing again. So we want to have this on a B-size sheet. We know how to do that. We've done that before. And we're going to have a front view, a right side view, and an isometric view. This detail A, where we have a detailed view, we're not going to do that for us here today. If you wanted to try it on your own, that's great. That's up here in the top. You could give that a try if you would like. Okay? But these two views are the ones we're going to be working on. Going back to our drawing, we're going to first change our sheet. So come over with your cursor to the model browser on the left-hand side, right-click Sheet 1, go down to Edit Sheet, and we're going to change this D-size sheet to a B-size sheet. Click OK. Then we're going to click Base from the ribbon bar at the top, Browse Folder. We've done that before. I'm going to go to my H drive. First initial, last name 000, and there's a gray box with the green line. Scroll down, find my wheel part, click OK, click Open, click OK. I'm going to take my wheel, move it off to the side, project it from my ribbon bar at the top. We're going to click a right side view, click a pictorial isometric view, and then right click. Use your mouse tool from the top pull down shade instead of your pick tool, and then create. Alright, let's place some dimensions. Select Annotate from the top. We're going to get our dimensions, and we're going to place most of the dimensions that are on here for our front view and our width. This detail area you can do on your own if you would like. So let's go place some dimensions. I have my outside dimension. I have the next circle in dimension. See how I zoomed in to help myself out a little bit? I have this inside arc dimension. I have my inner circle dimension. I have these two holes to dimension as well. I'm going to put my angular dimension in, so still with my dimension tool, I'm going to click this vertical line and the angular line. And that puts that dimension out there, not as hard as you thought. Next, I need the center of these holes, so I'm going to go from the center of my first hole to the origin or the center of my object. I'm going to once again go from the center of my outside hole to the center of my origin. On my right side view, I need my thickness. By George, I think we're done. If you would like to try and put that detail view up here, you can. You'd have to go back to Place Views and click this tool right here called Detail View. Give that a try, see if you can make that work and try it on your own. However, turning in, I'm happy with this. If you are done, let's go up to the orange file in the top left-hand corner, go down to Save As. Make sure this is going to your H drive. First initial, last name 000, the gray box with the green line. Click Save. Now we're going to change it to a PDF. Go up to File. We're going to go down to Export, Export PDF. Once again into our H drive, leave the title the same, and click Save. Great job. Please remember to turn in this drawing, the PDF form, to Google Classroom. Have a great rest of your day.